Hello, everyone. Jonah Lerner here from the GCTC. I'm an assistant technical director here at the theater. What that means is that along with the rest of the production team, I'm responsible for delivering the technical elements of a production. The team here at GCTC has been brainstorming tirelessly in order to find a way to support artists during the pandemic in a safe and virtual way. Together, we identified the need to empower artists with the tools required to create live content digitally. We understand that for us and all producers at this stage, the lack of capital to start a project can be a very large burden. That is why I have designed this program to use exclusively free software. With a computer and small technological improvements, you can achieve some quality results. Though this video series teaches you to use certain software and is brought to you by GCTC, I would like to add that GCTC is not endorsing or affiliated with these programs or even advocating the use of the programs over any other. The reason behind my choice of software and hardware demonstrated in this video series is simple. The software is accessible for free and compatible with PC and Mac. The hardware is proportionately inexpensive when compared to the industry standard, and I have sufficient knowledge to impart its use to you. This video series will focus on using two pieces of free software: Facebook Live and OBS, short for Open Broadcasting Software. Before we get started, it is important to point out that there are more advanced practices, equipment, and software that could be used to create content. My focus with this training is to get a higher production value for little to no money, and a tiny bit of training. Remember that this is no substitute for qualified technicians and professional equipment. Purpose-built equipment in the hands of qualified technicians will always result in the best end product. This video series is designed to empower you to be able to confidently create and stream your own custom content. If you follow along with all the videos in the series, you will be able to determine the best video, audio, and lighting tools for your budget. Connect to Facebook Live using webcams or video cameras. Use effective digital advertising methods over Facebook to help reach your audience. Use OBS to create a versatile live show with transitions as well as picture-in-picture effects and link it to Facebook Live. Record your shows or parts thereof for future use. And effectively use a green screen in OBS. Though the software addressed in these tutorials is free of charge, you should consider it an easy stepping stone to higher quality, paid programs. Here is a list of what you'll need to get the best out of the content we'll be covering: a computer, a Facebook account, an internet connection, a webcam. Standalone is best, but an integrated webcam works. A microphone. Standalone is again your best bet, but an integrated microphone will serve as a minimum. Movable lighting is preferred, but not necessary. You don't need much. A lamp you can move around works. An open window is also a great start. For the green screen portion, you can use any brightly colored sheet or object, preferably green or blue. The training is presented to you in a series of short videos. Though the content is designed to be as simple as possible, we have a fair amount to cover and may end up going faster than you can keep up. Please, pause the videos to practice an element that is covered to make sure that you are confident before you move on to the next step. You may feel the urge to skip ahead to a future video. Since each course builds on the experience gained in the previous one, I encourage you to watch them all in order. In our first video, we'll be covering basic hardware practices for a quality streaming setup. In essence, which camera, lighting, and audio tools to use based on your budget. See you soon.